How are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about the relationship between avocado consumption and gut health. Whether avocado helps with constipation, diarrhea, whether avocado helps with inflammation, how avocado works, and how its fats can help or harm your gut. Is there anything you need to be careful about? I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Stay until the end. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. Go ahead and subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell to get updates. I have new videos every day and you're going to love them. So let's talk more about this topic. I have a playlist here on the channel discussing the relationship between various foods and gut health, and I'll leave the link for you down below in the description. When we look at the nutritional composition of avocado, we see a very well-balanced fruit from a nutritional standpoint because it contains a lot of fiber. Fiber is a very interesting type of carbohydrate for our gut as it helps the fermentation of good bacteria. It also helps form butyrate, which is a type of short-chain fatty acid that greatly benefits the gut and reduces inflammation. Avocado is also very rich in healthy fats. It's a food high in vitamin E, anti-inflammatory, so it brings many benefits to gut health. When we think about the gut, we often think about constipation because we know that what most affects people on a daily basis with this modern diet that's richer in processed foods, low in fiber, and low in healthy fats is that people are becoming more and more constipated. And avocado can really help you in this regard because, as I mentioned, it has a lot of soluble fiber, and this fiber helps bring more water to the stool and makes it easier to pass. It also has a great combination because of these healthy fats. These healthy fats help to moisten the stool, making it softer and easier for you to pass without developing any problems related to dryness or even issues like hemorrhoids or problems that come from being constipated for too long and straining too much to have a bowel movement. When the stool is softer, it passes more easily and the chance of injuring the rectum is lower. As I mentioned, it is a source of healthy anti-inflammatory fats as well as vitamin E and vitamin C, which are antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in the body. So if you're looking to improve intestinal inflammation and make your gut healthier, avocado is excellent for you. And remember that this intestinal inflammation is not only related to cases of diarrhea, constipation, or issues directly connected to the intestine. But a healthy gut also greatly benefits our brain health, mood, well-being, and even the body's inflammatory and immune responses. So having a non-inflamed intestine is super important, and avocado can help you with that. Since avocado contains these fibers, which can be prebiotic and help you increase the population of beneficial bacteria and probiotic yeasts in our body, as they feed on the prebiotic fiber naturally present in avocado, it can also help as a complement to treat dysbiosis. So of course, when we think about dysbiosis, we think of probiotics like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, foods that already contain these good bacteria and yeasts, but it's always important to remember that this treatment should be synergistic. So not only do you need to consume more probiotics, but also the foods that they feed on so that they stay alive and multiply more. Avocado is also a source of these prebiotics, which can help with gut flora. Some people get concerned about the issue of avocado and diarrhea because avocado is oilier, it has healthy fats, but it is fattier. And some people worry that if they eat avocado, it will make diarrhea or loose stools worse. It all depends on the amount you consume, but remember that avocado is also a source of soluble fiber, which has the ability to absorb water. And if your stools are softer or more mushy, a small amount of avocado can help hydrate those fibers more and absorb some of that excess liquid. So a small amount of avocado can indeed help you even in cases of diarrhea, especially since it is anti-inflammatory, so it can benefit your overall gut health. Many people want to add more avocado to their daily routine, but they're not used to it. It's very important to mention that avocado is a very nutritious and healthy fruit, but many people are used to eating it with sugar or condensed milk, which ends up worsening its nutritional profile and can lead to other pro-inflammatory issues, even weight gain. So ideally, you should try to eat avocado in its natural form. And if you want a sweeter taste, you can mash your avocado with banana, strawberry, or another fruit that is naturally sweeter and very ripe to bring out the sweetness in a natural way. Or you can cut the avocado and add it to salads. You can make avocado mayonnaise and use it in sandwiches, spreads, or even on top of salads. Remember that avocado is actually super versatile. And I also have a playlist of avocado recipes, which I'll leave down here for you with recipes for cookies, flan, ice cream, and many great options. But also remember that avocado smoothies or green juice with avocado can be practical options for your daily routine, and it all depends on what you combine the avocado with to get even more benefits. If you want more ideas for healthy juices and smoothies, I have a playlist here with lots of ideas to inspire you, and I'll leave it down here for you as well. So, as you could see here in the video, avocado is similar to oats in the sense that it helps regulate the intestines. It's good for those who are constipated or have bowel irregularity, and it's also good for those with diarrhea as long as you consume the right amount. There's no point in eating 2 whole avocados because that will definitely make your bowels even looser. So, on top of everything, it's anti-inflammatory, which is super interesting, and it's low carb, so it doesn't cause insulin spikes. So, it really is a very healthy fruit for us to add more often to our daily routine, especially if you want to improve your gut health. Let me know down below if you usually eat avocado with your gut health in mind, or if you have any special recipes. I would love to see your comment. Remember to like the video, it really helps me out. And share it with anyone who might enjoy it or who needs it. Let's work together to spread this chain of good, because that's what I want here on the channel. See you next time. Bye!